Wait, here, let me. Oh, he put it in there and got a little bit of decoration on it. Yeah, look at that. That's how you get the decoration marks. And then he's giving it some air from the other side. We're at Signoretti, right there. Signoretti Glass Factory. He's slowly blowing it over time. Okay, he just dumped it in water. And it's going right back in. So sweet. Silica sand, huh? This is what it looks like.
Looks a bit like the sand we take for bird.
He's cooling down the rod now. Oh, now he's gonna mold it.
Sicuramente se è più alta se ne rinfreschiamo, così non serve a niente.
È vero.
A me fa fresco. C'è cosa che mi fa fresco questo?
Oh, mica sa, te la sentiamo.
No, ma ho usato il giorno. Ho usato il giorno che carica.
Adesso arriva una pizza sala. Non ti vedi, non ti vedi da me. No, ma guarda.
Look at that.
Guarda che sei adesso.
Wow.
Is it better?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
It's blowing, of course. This is just a little demonstration, okay? When we really produce. Ma no, stava prima.
No, perché come sono filato,
Allora, depending by what we have to do, then depends the size and so the number. Anyway, here we make chandeliers.
Okay.
Chandeliers and drinking glasses. The Signoretti company, anyway, it's a group of 12 studios like this one, all working together on Murano. Okay, 12, not only one. This is just now a demonstration because of August. But normally the work is 6 people working together and the same family. Normally it's the same family.
Is that family business?
It's a family business. That's the reason why we are investing our time promoting, because it's a family business, father to son, generation to generation.
Signoretti, how long?
Signoretti.
How long?
Back to the 1346.
1346.
On the wall.
Yeah, there it is.
We have such a chandelier in our hotel room.
We supply most of the hotel with our chandeliers. The most of the hotel is our.
Full of glass.
I see.
Impressive.
Thank you for the tour. This is amazing. Can I blow glass?
No, sir.
I was wondering how you do those.
Yeah, that's how we do
Because
it.
they would turn the.
You remember?
It's all by hand.
Wow.
I told you, depending by what we have to do. So it can be 1 chandelier or 2 chandelier or 1 in a month, depending on the number of pieces.
Wow.
Do you have special requests?
Well, we do work exclusively by order. So
You
if
don't
you're
do
looking for a chandelier, you are in the right place. You're looking for a chandelier. Are you looking for a chandelier?
Well, we'll see.
Okay. Otherwise, you are in the wrong place.
Yeah.
Maybe I will come back.
Okay. That way, you are in the right place.
America. I'm from America.
Just around the corner. Just around the corner.
Just enough.
I can do a good job. Let me go one time. I'll do a
Please
good.
promise that you are not planning to open a glass factory.
No, definitely not open. No. I have so many other plans and ideas, but you guys are experts. I can't compete. No way. Look at this. No chance.
Stop. Too many questions.
Too many. €5 per question now.
I'm ready to answer to 5 questions. You have already did 6.
6. So how many normally people work at a time? Six people here?
The same, and they normally are members of the same family. So it's like a two brothers, the sons, the nephew, that's the way. And they upcoming, you know what I mean? So apprentice. And so you can work, it takes
Whoa.
just look at the temperature.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Take the picture, look. Wow.
Look, 5 other Celsius.
Haha.
No, and also not prete. And also,
Glass need to cool down slowly in one of those ovens for 24 hours.
24 hours.
Don't touch the glass. Yeah.
And so, depending by the size,
How long does it have to cool down the glass?
So now that this is going to break,
That glass is gonna break? Why?
because the whole thing already seen, they have to see
minimum 24 hours. So cool it down.
Interesting. Okay, so if it cools down without the cooling machine, it will cool down too fast and break. So you need to bring the temperature over time.
Smallest detail like pair of earrings to the biggest thing possible.
Yeah.
So we have to calculate minimum 24 hours for the smallest item, and across between 2 to 3 days for all the others. So the
Big stuff, 3 days. And
sculptures or whatever.
and that means you cool it by like 1 degree Celsius every couple minutes.
To use about 1100 Celsius, I'm saying.
Yeah.
In here, so burning 24 hours a day. Then this fusion temperature of sand, so that with us is around 1400
Yeah.
Celsius always.
Yeah.
Around 2500 Fahrenheit. There it is.
Wow.
600 means that the range of 24 hours go right to 120, 130 maximum or minimum, depends on what you say, Celsius. So this is the best idea to cool down to solidify the glass.
Yeah.
So this cooperation, the 6 persons working here daily, means that they have to check also the explanation of the chemicals working here. That room, the better. Door in here, where we prefer the colors, we prefer the glass, and that's we need an explanation. So
Because for health.
exactly.
Because this is also very hot. They stand next to it all day.
We calculate
And chemicals too.
And chemicals.
some
Yeah.
makes refresh every time that they got simply to stop.
Yeah.
This is the raw material.
In any case, it's important to remind that to work with the glass, no way, we have to use very high temperatures.
Yeah.
Not so easy to find women working front. So like, not so easy for one very serious detail. Many times they don't know, we don't know if they're pregnant or not. It's a big risk. So
Oh yeah.
stay
Exposed.
exactly. So they help
What-
us, they still working together as a team. But it's very difficult to find them very close at the fire.
What's wrong with the silica sand? Why is that a bad? Why is it a bad chemical?
Silicon is bad.
Silica sand is the
Silicon
best
is
one
bad.
for glass production.
It's bad for to inhale or?
No, the problem is the lead and arsenic that they use in this
Oh, there's lead and arsenic.
not in here.
Not in here, but oh, from the 60s no more. But in the past, there was lead and arsenic.
So with the problem of
This is recyclable, so you take this and you can melt it. No?
don't recycle it, we use only the first one of glass, which is the one
Yeah.
glass that is defective.
But then, what do you do with the pieces that don't make it?
There is a commercial relationship between us, artistic producers,
Yeah.
with the industries working with the recycling glass.
With recycled glass, cool. So silica sand is sourced from France. Is that
Also in France, you get around an importation between 20 and 30%.
23%?
The rest are
And then what-
Italian, sales from north to south.
What do you have to do with the silica sand in order for it to mold into glass? Do you have to do anything? Add water?
No, what are know about other elements? Yeah.
Your special elements?
For us are details and also the secret compositions.
Yeah, secret compositions.
But the main one is always the silica sand. It's a ritual. The force is in these elements. So that's why the force of glass are recognizing the word the best. Then it's more expensive. For sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Is the first time in here?
Yeah.
If you follow me,
Yeah.
I will create it.
Yeah, yeah.
And the only thing I'm so sorry is that not allowed to bring this
Over there. Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, no worries.
Where you come from? Where you from?
California.
Oh, about around the corner.
Yeah, around. Yeah, it's beautiful. We love your city. We love Venice. We love Venice.
We love.
Grazie mille.
Actually, our chandelier in my bedroom is from Italy.
Is it?
Yeah.
So in here, what we used in the past, that is for royal, but it was a wedding gift for royal, and now military paper. And that would